Two equal charges 0.2 microcoulomb each are fixed at a distance 0.2 meter apart. A third charge of equal magnitude, that is 0.2 microcoulomb, so is placed halfway between the two charges. It is then moved to a point 0.2 meter from both the charges. What is the work done by external agent during the process? So two ways you can calculate this work done by external agent. One way is find the potential at the initial point of the middle charge, the third charge, and find the potential at the final point due to other two charges. Their work done by external agent will be V final minus V initial into the charge which you are moving. That is the third charge. So first we have to find the potential at the initial point and final point of the third charge due to other two charges, and then work done by external agent will be work done by external agent will be V final minus V initial into the charge which you are moving. Or else straight away you calculate the potential energy of three particle system at the initial configuration and final configuration, and the work done will be U final minus U initial. So either way you can do this. So here I have a charge Q. This Q value is 0.2 microcoulomb. Later I'll substitute that. Okay, now these two are separated by a distance of 0.2 meter. Now here we have charge Q. This is 0.1 meter. This is 0.1 meter. Now we can find the potential at this point, initial point. This is the initial point. So what is the potential due to first two charges at the initial point? So it is at the midpoint, right? Kq divided by 0.1 plus Kq divided by 0.1. So which is equal to 2Kq by 0.1. Now it is moved like this, so that the final position of the third charge is 0.2 meter from the first two charges. Say this is the final point. What is the potential at the final point? So it is Kq divided by 0.2 plus Kq by 0.2. This is equal to 2Kq divided by 0.2 meter. Now the work done in moving the third charge will be work done by external agent will be V final minus V initial into the charge which you are moving. So remember here, potential at the initial point and the final point of the third charge we have to find due to the first two charges. We should not consider the potential due to the third charge itself. So now V final, what is V final? 2Kq by 0.2 minus V initial 2Kq divided by 0.1 into the charge which you are moving. What we can take common? 2Kq square we can take common here. So we'll get 1 by 0.2 minus 1 by 0.1. So if we cross multiply and also if we substitute all the values, 2 into 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 whole square. So into here 0.1 minus 0.2 is minus 0.1 minus 0.1 divided by 0.1 into 0.2, 0.02, 0.02. Okay. So here you will get, so if you simplify this, okay, here 0.1 is there, here 0.02, and minus sign is there. If you simplify this, you'll get minus 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joule. So this is the answer you are going to get. So minus 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 joule.